Meaning of Gunsmoke.
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 Gunsmoke. Gunsmoke is a term that refers to the smoke created by firing guns, particularly in the Old West era of the United States. The term has since become synonymous with Western-themed entertainment, especially the long-running television series of the same name. Set in Dodge City, Kansas during the late 1800s, Gunsmoke followed the adventures of Marshal Matt Dillon and his deputies as they battled outlaws and maintained law and order in the Wild West. Through its 20-year run, Gunsmoke cemented its place as one of the most iconic Western shows of all time.